In today's video, I will walk you through how to export data from Xero. To get started, click on the Accounting menu near the top of the Xero interface. When the drop-down menu appears, select Chart of Accounts. This will take you to the Chart of Accounts page, where you'll see the list of accounts that are currently available in your Xero organization. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to review the accounts shown on the screen, and make sure the list is the one you want to export. When you're ready to continue, look towards the top of the accounts table. You'll see an export button above the list of accounts. Click the export button to begin the export process. After selecting export, Xero will generate a CSV file containing the account information displayed in the chart of accounts. Wait for the file to be prepared and downloaded. Once the download has finished, you'll have a CSV file containing the account data that was exported from Xero. The process is straightforward. Open the Accounting menu, select Chart of Accounts, review the accounts shown on the page, and then click the Export button at the top of the table. After the export is complete, the CSV file will contain the account information that was displayed in your Chart of Accounts. If you need to export the same information again in the future, simply repeat the same steps. Go back to the Accounting menu, open the Chart of Accounts page, and click Export whenever you want to generate a new CSV file with the current account information. Each time you complete the export, Xero will create a CSV file based on the information available in the Chart of Accounts at that time. Once the download is complete, you can access the exported CSV file from the location where your downloads are saved. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you. Please like and subscribe.